Hello lovers of Bubukizi fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. Today we are going to be revamping this dusty, crusty looking wig. First we are going to undo the wig because I needed to change the wig cap and the closure. So here I'm just in the process of undoing the wig. So after doing that, we are going to get into the process. First of all, you need warm water, not hot, not cold, warm water. So we are going to go in and put our shampoo to wash the hair and clean the hair, get rid of all the dirt before we revamp. So after putting our shampoo in warm water, we are going to go ahead to put in our wigs. In this case, bundle. It's actually difficult to revamp bundles. I never knew of that, but it was possible because there was no need revamping the wig to throw the wig cap. So I just had to go ahead and revamp the bundle so that I can put a new closure on it. So let it sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes and then gently wash. Make sure you handle the hair with care. So with our closure, I use an old toothbrush to clean the leftover glue and build up products. So when you're done with that, you're going to gently brush out the wig. Brush, brush, brush. Just make sure you gently brush out your wig before we start the process. Take your time. So when you're done with brushing out your wig, you're going to start with a revamp. So you're going to take out your hair products and your hair oil. Oil is very important in the revamp process as this gives the wig a shine. So depending on the the quality or quantity of your wig or hair will determine the measurement of the products you're going to use. So in this case, this wig, I haven't revamped it in a very long time. So I went in with full revamp. You could always do light revamp, especially if you get your wigs revamp constantly. But in this case, we had to do a thorough revamp process. This wig needed salvation, literally. So we are just going to mix our products and then mix the oil, mix everything, mix. It's as easy as it looks, guys. Let no one discourage you. You can do this at home. Just follow the steps, follow the process, and if you have any questions, drop in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So when you're done with mixing your products, you're just going to begin massaging the product into the hair or your wig. Be generous. Make sure you get every little strand of hair covered in your hair treatment if you really want that shiny, silky look. So after that, I went ahead to just brush the hair so that I could get the products into the hair. Gently brush and detangle. So that's what we are just doing, detangling the hair so that the products can comfortably sit in the hair. And before revamping your hair, if you have a wig back, electric wig revamp back, make sure you use a ziplock bag, as this will save you a lot of stress so that you don't have to constantly wash your revamp back. If you do not have the electric revamp back, you can always use a ziplock bag, and you put, after you're done, you put it in warm water, hot water, and you cover well so that the vapor does not go out, because the vapor helps the products to treat the hair. So basically what we need is heat. So I'm just detangling and putting in a ziplock bag, then I put in my revamp bag. So when you're done, you zip the bag and then you put it in your revamp bag. So I'm just trying to make sure no air gets in or no vapor gets out of the bag. So I'm just trying to put everything tight together. When you're done, you're going to plug it in and you turn it on. It has a remote, you use it to turn it on. Also on that remote, they have different levels of heat, so you're going to go with which is necessary for you. Since I'm using a revamp bath, it's going to sit for 30 to 45 minutes. While we're waiting for that, if you have any tips on revamp, make sure you drop it in the comment section. It might just help someone. Consider it as doing the Lord's work. So now we are done, and I use warm water You put warm water in the bowl, then you take out your wig from your Revamp bag and you rinse off the products. At this point, guys, the wig was already so soft. I wish you could feel it. So soft. So I'm just going to gently rinse off the products. Rinse, rinse, rinse. So we're just going to gently rinse off the products from the hair. And at this point, guys, it's really looking very soft and silky. Look at that, 10 on 10 minus nothing. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So this is what you should have at the end if you follow the steps. So when we're done, we're going to rinse it the second time just to get rid of any other excess product that wasn't gotten rid of at the first time. Going in with our warm water. Yeah, then you rinse. So guys, this is basically it. As you can see, it's very easy to revamp your wig at home if you follow the steps. So we are done with that, and as you can see, the hair is giving so soft and silky. So we have successfully revamped this dusty looking wig to a body, period. Look at that, guys, very soft, very soft. So try it out and let me know how it goes. Guys, that's it for our video. Thanks very much for watching, and if you carefully follow the steps, you should have a resurrected wig. Very soft, very silky. And now we are going to get into our wig making process. So follow me, subscribe so that you can see the update of our hair.